Hi, I'm Andrea Hancock, owner of Hancock Business and Creative Services LLC, where I help small businesses and nonprofits simplify their operations and succeed with confidence. If you want clear, practical tips on building your organization, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss out on a new video. Funders aren't looking for perfect proposals. They're looking for grant proposals that display clarity and alignment. They want to understand who you serve, why the work you do matters, and how their funding would be used if awarded. Funders are typically reviewing many applications at a time, often in a very short window of time. So clear programs, clear budgets, and clear outcomes in your proposal really help set you apart from the rest. When those elements are in place, the proposal feels confident instead of forced. The strongest proposals reflect strong organization foundations. If this shifted how you think about grant proposals, here's a couple of options my company offers if you're interested about support. So organizations building their foundation and just starting out with grants, I have a self-guided foundation kit and then some other DIY options that have coaching components included. And organizations that want support managing the grant process can explore my bespoke opportunities. So both are linked below on my website, hancockbcs.com. Happy grant writing!